Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes PDF preview pane not working in Windows 11. First method is change folder options. Second method is change preferences settings. Third method is update Acrobat Reader. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.